Okay. Today the client has asked us to fix their hole so that their gate doesn't swing open and ruin their car or paint job. So we've got to make those holes bigger. And we've also got to increase the hole here, as there's no hole here at all, as you can see. We've set up our hammer drill, got an extension. Running across to the closest connection point, and we're about to start. First thing is, choose the correct drill bit. Drill bit that we've got today So the drill bit we've got today, we're using a, doesn't matter what brand it is. In this particular case I'm using an Irwin, but it doesn't really matter. It's a 14mm drill bit, hammer drill bit, as you can see, with a tip. The gate steel gauge is approximately, I think, 12mm. So I'm allowing a couple of mil on either side. It's always good to make it just a little bit bigger, as dirt often gets stuck in there and can block it and make it hard to actually put the rod down when required. So I'll get on with the show and show you how it's done.